Where's all those Barca fans that were making noise? Where are all those Barca fans? I tell you guys, Chelsea. I'm not a Chelsea fan, but Chelsea is not for children. Chelsea is not for children. Barca is. They are all children when it comes to Chelsea. I said it before, and I have to say it again. Chelsea is not for children. I'm not Chelsea fan, but Chelsea, is not for children. Barca, even if they meet 3 times, Chelsea will beat them, and they will beat them and will beat them mercilessly. Barca, Chelsea is not for children. When you mature, come and play Chelsea.